Let's show everybody how you roll over. There we go. Look at that. Like she's been doing it her whole life. You do it one more time. Oh, almost. Almost. I know, it's very exciting, huh? Are you gonna go again? Are you gonna go again? Maybe we should go over here, huh? Should we go over here? There she goes. Hi, little one. Did you roll over? Huh? Did you roll over? That's a pretty fun thing to do. Yes, it is. Pretty fun.